Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to add WebViewer to our Android application in Thunkable.com or any other site which is similar to Thunkable.com. So let's continue our previous project, that is test 1, and this screen 1 is completed. So let's say this screen, I will delete this, and let's add a layout, horizontal layout, and fill parent and fill parent. So go to user interface and add a web browser, that is WebViewer, and fill parent and fill parent, and select as home URL. So let me select, make sure that you add HTTP here, otherwise the link will not work. So I will simply go add URL. You can see HTTPS over here, so we'll just click over here and paste it, and it's done. So what we will do in blocks, so we have not added a screen initialize over here, so let's add a when screen to initialize to go to WebViewer 1 and call WebViewer 1 to go home, as we have already entered the URL over here. Or else you can call WebViewer 1 to go to URL and enter your URL by adding a blank text and paste it. So now you can see over here, this is my channel URL, but there is no need because I already added it. So now your application has a WebViewer in it. So let's test our application. We change its Android version from 1.1 to 1.2 and save APK to my computer.